welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I am very blue, or very aquamarine, you might say. Well, anywho, I wanted to talk to you guys about a new palette that came out on the ShopHush website, and this palette is actually from Face Candy. So this is what the box looks like. Very pretty, as you can see. It's gorgeous in blue. Of course, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to have it, because blue is like one of my favorite makeup or eyeshadow shades. Well, lipstick too, actually. But when I saw this palette come out on the ShopHush website, or actually when they teased it on Trend Mood, I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it, because it's gorgeous, and you know I want to play around in it. So, anywho, I purchased this palette on the ShopHush website for $14. And the last time I checked, it was still available. Not sure if by the time I get this video up, if it will still be available. Just some things that I have to say about this palette. And it is cruelty free. Like I said, it's from Face Candy. And this palette, let me go ahead and show you. This is a 12 color eyeshadow palette. So this is the box, and the palette looks just like the box. And as usual, it always comes with a little plastic covering over the shadows. Now, there are 12 shades in here, and as you can see, I went to town in this palette, so I've already been kind of having fun with it. But these are the shades that are in this palette. So as you can see, there's a mix of mattes as well as shimmer shadows. There is a mirror in this palette, and there are names for each of these shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do some quick swatches for you guys. And then after I do that, I will jump into my tutorial of how I created this eye look, if you'd like to check it out. So let's go ahead and do some swatches first. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first row. So these are the first 4 colors in this palette. So this is White Caps. This is Ripples. This is Oceanic. And this is Stormy Waters. So this is the first row, and these are all matte shades. And these shadows are very soft and buttery, you guys. Very nice. Okay, so in the second row, we have 2 matte shadows and 2 shimmer shadows. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these. So this is Abyss, which is a matte. This is Deep Sea, which is also a matte. This is Poseidon, which is a shimmer, a very pretty shimmer. And this is Tsunami, which is also a very pretty shimmer shade. So that is the second row there. Okay, and so now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the last row. And I think I'm going to swatch this row on my hand because I'm running out of space. So the first one is Tidal, and that is a shimmer shade. The next one is Swell. That is also a shimmer shadow. The next one is Vanished. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're gorgeous. And the last shade is Empire, which is a gorgeous navy blue matte shade. So that is the last row in this palette. I didn't get that great of a swatch on the last color, but you get the idea. So this is definitely a palette for someone who loves blues and turquoise shades, because that is the only thing you're going to get out of this palette. So just some of my thoughts on this palette. The matte shades are nice and buttery. They blend it out extremely well. The pigment is amazing. I'm actually shocked at the pigment. I didn't really go hard with the white base. I just did the usual concealer that I do for my eyelid and powder, and the color was instantly there, which you will see in the video of me creating this look. The shimmer shadows, oh my gosh, I mean, you can see. It's like I really don't even have to say anything, because you can see just how pigmented and nice and silky smooth these shadows are. They went on like a dream. I love this palette. Honestly, I think this might be my new favorite palette. So if you guys see a lot of blue looks from me, don't be surprised. I mean, if you don't want this palette, honestly, I question whether or not you love blue eyeshadow, because this is a blue eyeshadow lover's dream. I hope they come out with a purple one, a pink one, a red one. I would love them. So anywho, enough of that. That's basically all the information on this palette. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I created this look. So if you'd like to see it, stay tuned.